Welcome to Cyber Voices with Andrea Garcia, where we amplify voices that illuminate the digital world. Together, we explore cybersecurity, cyber resilience, technology, leadership, and the human stories behind digital risk. Today, everyday OT, the hidden technology in homes and small businesses, and simple steps to protect it. Now a few real-world examples that make this concrete. First, the café POS. Many small cafes use internet-connected tills to process payments, manage stock, and send receipts. If that till is directly exposed to the internet or uses default passwords, attackers can lock it or intercept payments. The visible harm is lost sales and angry customers. The hidden harm is reputational damage and possible fraud. Second, home heating and EV chargers. A vulnerable control module could be used to disable heating or interrupt charging. Worst case, it affects health or leaves a family stranded. Third, a small workshop with computer-controlled tools. If someone tampers with machine settings remotely, it can cause production faults or unsafe operation. In every case, the risk mixes financial loss, physical safety, and trust.